So it's a cul-de-sac. Also very quiet. Metal roof. Brick facade, 3-car garage. And I'm gonna go inside. So also brick pavers in the driveway. Very cute. So off to the left is 1 bedroom. Ground molding. The floors are pretty. Closet. Shower. Bathroom. Another sink. Another closet. And they're using this as an office. I think you might need a bigger dog door, but that's cute. They have a dog door. Again, that's the front door. Storage. Little office area. Sitting room. Closet. There's like a little door there. They closed it all. Okay. Bathroom. Another shower. Crown molding all the way to the ceiling. This looks like it's a pantry. There's a light. Lots of storage. I love pantries. There's the kitchen. We'll come back there. I believe this is the master. Nice. Shower. This is tile. Shower. Tub. So 2 vanities. And a bathroom with the all-important door. Linen closet. It is way more organized than mine. Nice closet. An entrance to the attic from there. Another closet. And then the master. That's pretty cool. So it's like a master wing. And then this little area is all fenced or, screened in, but there's obviously room for a pool. It's actually a good sized backyard. Oh my gosh. I love the fireplace and the outdoor grill area. And they even have it fenced up. Look at that little bird. That's the water right over there. Oh, they have it fenced off so the dog can't go back there. Interesting. Little potting shed. So, okay, back to the porch. And the little lights. Sprinkler system. And a big side yard. Oh, and a generator. The master. How cute. The laundry room. This is nice. We will go upstairs next. The garage. I have garage envy. The garage, going upstairs. Oh, they have a mini split up here. That's nice. Oh, and another bathroom with a shower. So it could be another bedroom, workout area. Closet. Okay. Storage. They have some foam insulation and not on the roof, which is probably a good thing because if you have a leak in the roof, then you would know it. Now the important part, the kitchen. Modern cabinets. Very cool. Oh my gosh. This is a cool refrigerator. And then the freezer part is down below. Oh, there's the ceiling. Outlets, drawers, dishwasher. Oh, cool. That like pulls up and you can hide your stuff. Gas. This is pretty cool. That's the microwave. Dishwasher. And then garbage. Sorry, I keep seeing things that I'm like, oh, that's cool. They've used their space very well. All right, I'm gonna go outside now to the front. So it's a herringbone pattern, covered porch. I like the ceiling. So you're close to the parks and stuff here. And of course, as you probably know, they're doing some stuff down on the harbor. And that's how close the water is. Let me put it in perspective.